Okay, so there's no panic buying in here because we've still got plenty of stock for you to come and have a look at. A lot of restock. We've had restock from Tamir and all sorts of people. Still got plenty from Mini Art, all the various bits and pieces. Their latest couple of things that have been in is the British Lee and things like that. So there's a lot of kits, so you won't run out. Master box, of course. More of the Mini Art. We've had a lot of restock of a lot of the figure sets from people like Orion, Mars. Had a lot of Mars kits come in, both 32nd scale and 72nd scale. AFV Club, of course. A bit more from IBG. We've had quite a lot of restock from them. Trucks, Malteers, Chevys, Airfix. If you're looking for the Airfix vintage series, we've got quite a lot of them. A lot of those have come in, so you can have a fiddle with them. Hat, of course, got a bit of that. Trumpeter, been a bit. We're expecting a rodent shipment in, but we've just found out there's a hold up, so they'll be in shortly. Another gun from IBG. This is 32nd scale. So we've got the French Canon de Mobile 1897 in US service, so that's just come in. Now, this is one I didn't show you at the front because it's too hard to get out. If you've seen the TV series or the movie series that came out just recently on one of the channels, this is all on Chernobyl. There's 5 of these sets coming out in different things. This is the first one. This is Chernobyl #1. This contains the first of the radiation monitoring vehicles and a couple of figures. This is quite good. This is going to be building up into quite a nice little set of bits and pieces. So we might have a look at that one later on too when I have it open up. What else we got? Restocks of UM. We've had restocks of the UM kits. What do you got here? Panzer 38T from them. This one, tank, train, armoured train. So they're quite good. The Ace, a lot of restock of the Ace model stuff as well. And a few newies in there. And I've had some ships come in as well. This is from Micromere. This is the World War I K class. USS Growler with the the submarine launch aircraft. From IBG, 700 scale. This is the Hotspur British H class destroyers. That's come in. We've also got from Micromere a little bit of an odd thing. This is called the Tornado. It's powered by the V1 rocket motor on Ju-52 floats. So it's supposed to be some sort of blow up, fly into thing and blow up type of thing. The latest from Mini Art. This is their triflugal with ladder and what if markings in it. So that's come in. Wing nuts. We've had restocks of this. This is the last, apparently, of most of these. The Pfalzes are actually deleted, and I don't think we've actually got any left either. So it's only the Albatrosses. These are quite interesting. So basically, you get all those markings in it, limited edition thing. So, and as usual, you get a nice kit in there as well. So there's quite a series of Albatrosses if you missed out on the early days with the first ones that came out. So again, we've had restocks of RS models. We've had restocks. We're getting restocks, hopefully, of Rodin again. From A model, we've had the Jetstreams. So if you're interested in the old Jetstreams, if you don't want the old Airfix one, we've got those back in. Vellum. We've got quite a range of Vellum in at the moment, including some of the newer ones, but some of the older ones as well, like HU19s, things like that. There's also a few up here. So we've had them. As I said, from Edouard, we've had a lot of restock as well. So there's been quite a few of them, plus some newies. AZ model, if you're looking for the Kingfisher or the Pawnee's back in. And Aussie Kingfisher back in stock. So if you're looking for one of them for you. At the present time, that is about all I can tell you. We've had, as I said, we've had quite a bit, so don't think that you know, we aren't stopping in our ordering systems or getting new items in. Where our suppliers are able to supply, we've just found out that one of them has not been able to get something out of a country because the airlines cancel flights out of that particular country. So we're working on how we're going to get around that. They tell us it's only a couple of weeks, but we are still attempting to get in as much as we possibly can. So, and there will be a lot of new releases, fingers crossed. So don't sit back and relax and think that there's nothing happening. There certainly is a lot in our stores. While our stores are open, we've got plenty going on. So come in and see us. I will get around to doing some of those box openings for you, so you can have a look what's in there. As I said, there's some really nice stuff has come out. So from that point in time, we'll see you next time.